Yeah, everything is fine.
Yes, carry on, Ravi.
Yeah, fine now, guys. So, okay, so see this similar way. If we want to make the request about this method, right? This HTTP request get methodology, right? So this is the request only, right? So this is the request one, right? Just I'm making what request one. This is the request one. Okay, so if we want to make the request about this method, right? So how we can make how we will write the mock logic now? What is the class? What is the method? Using which method we can able to make the request? Okay, then how our what mock object will create dummy object? We will see this. Okay, so now fine now. So here what let's create it. Okay, so the similar object is right. Similar object is what? Similar object is what? If we want to make this class as what? Test case method, right? Test case method. Then what annotation we will apply on the top of this method now, guys? At the rate.
At the rate test.
Yeah, at the rate test, right? Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
At the rate test, fine, guys. Okay, good. So similar way. Okay, guys, so similar way. So if we want to make the what is that a dummy request, if we want to make the dummy request, then what is that mock MVC request builder object is there, guys. Okay, so what is that mock MVC request
builder.
Yeah, mock MVC request builder. Inside that what? Inside that one get method is there, right? Get method is there. See this get method is there or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
And
Yes,
inside
yes,
that we will
yes.
specify what? App slash product slash find slash one URI. We will specify that URI. So similar way, what is our URI now, guys? So this is the product, right? App product na, come on. So
Yes, Ravi.
slash app product, right? Slash app product and what? And what is that? After then what? Find ID, right? After then what? Find slash what? ID we are putting that one, right? ID we are putting that what? One. And this right? This what is that mock MVC request builder return type is what now, guys? Let's see the declaration, right? It will return what is that mock MVC builder return what?
Abstract class.
Mock HTTP servlet
Builder post.
Yes.
Mock HTTP.
1 minute.
Servlet
Get method. 1 minute, guys. See this mock MVC what? Get method is return type is what now, guys? Mock HTTP servlet request builder or not? Come on.
Request builder.
So
Yes.
use, yeah, then what we will do it now, we will hold that what? We will hold that what? Request using what is that? This class. Because this is the return type, right? This is the return type request. Means what? Request. Here we are getting using what is that? We are getting the predefined method or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yeah. See
Yes,
this.
Yes.
If we write this, what is that? This logic, just think about if we want to test our API, just if we want to test our REST controller, right? If we want to test our REST controller and we only write this logic also, then think about that we can able to test it our API. Come on, give the response.
Yes, we can test it.
And
now.
only simple using what is that test, right? Using what is that JUnit operation, right? Using JUnit framework, really it's possible we can perform this kind of operation only using what is that JUnit? No.
Yes,
No.
we can.
No, Ravi.
No.
So fine, okay, so just we will understand, just don't bother about next level things, guys. Okay, whatever current discussion is there, just think about currently, just think about this one only, right? Later whenever we will deep dive in the session, everything will come to you, guys. Okay, everything will come to you. Just focus on this section only, right? Just focus on this section itself only, right? So fine now, guys, so here what is that? So 1 minute, 1 minute, I'll call you. Yeah. Okay, so good. So fine now, guys. So if we want to make that, what is that request? What we will take? What is the class and what is the method name, guys? Get type. If we want to make the get type request, then like this, we will make it or not? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
correct.
Ravi.
Okay. Similarly, but what is that? See this. Okay, if we are at the time of making the post, it's having the body also or not, guys? We have need to send the data also, right? Nah, come
Yes,
on.
Ravi.
We have need to send the data also
Yes,
or
Yes,
not?
Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes,
The post we need to send it.
Okay, so for that everything is the same, guys. Okay, everything is the same only, but here what is that method will be changed, right? Because here
Will be changed.
method is what is the method now, guys? What is the method now? See,
Post.
if we want to save the data, right? If we want to save the data, which kind of methodology it will take it now, guys? Post na.
Post mapping.
Okay, so
This data.
so fine, right? Because we have need to send the data also, right? Dummy data, just we are
Yeah,
creating the dummy data only for the testing or for the purpose only to test our API. That's it, guys. Okay, so fine now, guys. So here what is that product is there now? So here what we will do it now, we will take the post method. Those method is where those method is available now, guys. Mock MVC request builder class. Come on,
This is request.
mock MVC
Yes,
request
sir.
builder only, right? So here
Yes,
what is that?
yes.
Okay, so first we will understand the HTTP request, guys. Okay, first we will understand HTTP request about that post. This is the for the get purpose. This request is what for the get purpose, right? This is the get purpose, right? Let's understand
sir.
how the request will be using. What is that? How the request is the like using what? If we want to make the request using what post type, what is the right request method structure, right? What is the request method structure? Let's see that. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, just here what this is the post methodology, right? If we want to make the right, if we want to make it, if we create the mock request, right? Mock request using post, then what is that? See this request, right? This is the
HTTP request.
1 minute.
Post to
Yeah.
HTTP.
Request. This is the second right? Second request. Let's understand, right? Let's understand. So how this one is now? How this one is now, guys? So here what is that? This is the post, right? So this is the post kind, right? Post, and what is that? Slash here what? App request app product slash save, right? Come on, this is the URL only, na? Come on, guys, see this.
Yes, sir.
See, come here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Come here. See
Yes,
this
sir.
here. This is the save, right? This is the
Product
save
dot save.
plus app product. Come
Yeah.
on, we
Yes,
took right now.
But yes.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, so here what? So here what? Good. So now let's understand. Okay, so this is the initial line, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
In line, right? This is the initial line. Fine. And here what is that? Header section also there, right? Header section also there, and here what? Body
Yes,
also
sir.
there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Body.
okay, guys. I don't know the
Yes.
people. I don't know the people are remember or not. So if we want, if in the body section, right?
Yes, remember.
In the body section, if JSON data is there, guys, if in the body section, if JSON data is there, okay. So like if then if just what, just I'm creating what is that here, see this. Okay, so here what is that? Here what? Just what our like what our what? Just
JSON.
ST or what is PRD name I'm taking, just normal, right? Name, right? PRD name colon what is that? Like what? Are mobile, right? Just mobile.
Yep.
This is the what data only. Okay, in the body section. But which kind of data this one now, guys?
JSON data.
JSON data. For the if we want to make the request based on JSON data in the body section, what we are selecting now, guys? Anyone remember it?
Application type JSON.
Yeah.
Yes. Application.
That is nothing but what?
Application.
Content type, na? Come on. That is nothing but
Content type JSON. Yes.
Content
Application or JSON.
XML.
content,
content type, right? Content type,
application
content
slash
type,
JSON,
right?
JSON. Application.json.
Yeah, app slash
slash
JSON, right?
application slash JSON.
This is like this, okay, with
Yes,
right. So if we want to make, right, so this is the what HTTP request about that what post na, come on, this is only, right, come on
Yes,
guys.
correct.
yes,
Right.
So
Right.
so
yes.
similar way, if we want to construct, right, if we want to construct using what mock framework for the post, right, for the post, how it is now, guys, how it is now. First what is that? First we will specify what is that inside that post, what is that slash what app slash product product app slash product
Product.
slash save, right?
Let's save.
Save. After then what is that?
Yes,
This area, this is we have need to specify the content type also or not, guys, come on.
Yes.
Come on.
yes,
Okay, okay, so
Yes, we have
fine
to
now, guys.
specify.
Okay, so here what dot content, right? Sorry, content type. See this content type method is there, right? Inside this content type, inside this content type, what is that? Media type.
Yeah. Media type JSON.
Yeah, media type dot what? Application slash what?
Slash JSON.
JSON.
1 minute, guys. Application
Application capital letter application JSON.
dot JSON. Why it's not coming any spelling mistake? 1 minute. Application
Application JSON contains application JSON.
underscore, right? JSON.
Yes, underscore. is there.
Like this, we will
Yes.
specify, right? We will specify what is that header section, which kind of what is that we are using, which data we are testing, right? So for that we have need to specify the header section also, right? Content type, na, come on.
Yes.
Yes, we have to specify.
Yes. After then what? After then what? This body section. Then we have need to what? Specify what? Then
Body.
we have need to specify the body section also. For that, what is the method now, guys? Dot
Body sec-
content, right? Dot content. Here, what we will do it now?
body.
We will specify the JSON data. Like what is that? Just what is that? PRD product name, right? Product name colon. What is that?
Colon.
Product name. Just what is that?
Mobile.
Yeah, mobile, right? Mobile, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Like this, okay, like this we will specify the request object about what post kind of things, guys. Okay, so this is what, this is the now, let's, okay, this is it, everything will come whenever we will do the practical, guys. Okay, then we will understand easily. We will see the practical only, right? But I want to make that practical what is the easy for you, because of that I'm explaining, guys. Okay.
Yes, Ravi. Thank you.
Okay, fine now, guys. So okay, good. So fine now, guys. So same way, just what is that? If we want to remove that, right? If we want to remove the data, right? For that, just what one, let's understand what one more things, guys. Okay, let's understand what one more thing. Similar way, what is that? All right, one more, right? Here, what if we want to write the test, right? Using the Mockito framework, if we want to test this method, right? If we want to test this method, then what is that? So let's understand about this one also, right? So okay, so
Yes, sir.
delete, right? So here what is that? What is the request type now, guys? Okay, so what is the request type itself only? So this one, okay.
Delete.
Delete.
Yes, Ravi.
So here what is that? Delete, right?
App.
Delete. Here also what?
App product.
Delete slash app
Product.
Product slash remove.
product
ID.
slash remove, right? Remove plus what? Dynamic data also, just I want to delete first record, right?
ID.
We want to delete the first record itself
Yes.
only. Okay, so good. So fine now, guys. Okay, so for that purpose, what is that delete method is there, right? So for that purpose, what is that delete method itself only there, right? So same way, right? So if we want to delete it, right? So come here in the test product, right? So here same way, right? Here just what we are doing now, here what dot what delete method is there, guys. Okay, delete method, and here what we will do it now, guys. So here what app/product
Product
slash
slash remove.
slash
Remove.
Slash remove.
remove slash
Remove.
record
Load
number
by
one,
ID.
record number one. Okay, so good. Fine. Okay, so for that purpose, like this we will construct what is that our request about that what mock testing, guys. Okay, we will construct like this what like this only we will construct what is that request about that what mock framework by using what this integration framework, Spring Boot unit testing support, right? Unit testing support mocking framework, right? Like creating the object, what creating the dummy object and all those things. Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, fine. I don't know
Yes,
when
yes, please start.
Okay,
I
Ravi.
think I stopped when I took the pause, right? At the time only I was stopped. Okay, no issue. Okay, nothing.
Just
Everything.
tell the dependency name, Ravi.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, nothing we went, Ravi, no problem.
Yeah. So only these two dependency we will put, right?
Tell the
Mockito.
dependency, Ravi, which
Yeah.
you
Like what? Mockito core with dependency we need. Mockito JUnit Jupyter dependency we need, right? After then what JUnit Jupyter engine, these three dependency we need if we want to perform what core if we want to test what our code using what core mock framework, right? Core mock framework we have need to put what
mock
explicitly these three dependency. Which one? JUnit Jupyter engine, Mockito core, as well as what Mockito JUnit Jupyter, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, fine now, guys. So okay, so good. So now this is the, let's delete all test cases and everything. We will develop again, right? Front of you guys only. Good. So okay now, guys, so here just what in the explanation, come inside the explanation. Okay, so currently because here only one machine, right? Only everything I have only need to develop. Just think about that I'm a Padma, right? And I'm developing this part only, right? And implementation class is developing Sudhir, right? But still it's not in the developing mode, right? Means what? Still Sudhir is sleeping. Just think about that. Work from home is going on. He took the ticket, and what is that? Just what he's doing now on the laptop on the space button, like what he put something because of that, and he connected their laptop with the what, like a client server, and the people whenever the what people are observing something is this person is doing, means what, he's the too much intelligent on the space button. He put some something, and every time signal is going in this laptop, some work is going on, right? Because this laptop is not in the sleep mode, come on, and he is fully in the sleep mode, right? He is in the home fully in the sleep mode, and whenever he is waking, he started to developing their API. But what Padma is a active woman, right? So what she is doing when I assigned her what this API she completed at the time, but what is that without what is that testing she can't submit now this code.
Yes.
Mm.
I have to write the code.
So let's write this one only, right? Let's write this one only, right? So what I'm doing now in the math class, okay, new, I'm taking the interface, right? Interface, and inside that what I'm doing now, I'm taking what iMaths interface. iMaths interface. Fine now, guys. So good. So here what responsibility now? Public. I'm writing abstract method now, guys. Int what is that? Add. Okay, this is the abstract method. This is the ready now, guys. Okay, this is the ready now. Fine now, guys. So okay. So here what I'm doing now, int a, and what int b. Okay, fine. But her code is completed, but how she can test it without implementation class? If we use what is that only normal
She cannot
unit testing, we can test it? No, we have need to write what implement, and we have need its implementation class also now, then we can test it or not. Come on.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes. Without
Yeah.
unit, she
So but she know
cannot
that what mock framework, then what she will do now, she will write the test about this one. Okay, let's write the test case. Let's write the test case based on combination of what JUnit plus Mockito framework. Okay, so then you guys will get clear picture about that. I said that now our mock framework will create what dummy object about what required object, about what required object. Fine now, guys. So let's write the test case. Okay, so we will come inside that what test API, right? So here what we will do it now, let's take one class now, guys. Okay, so here what I'm taking now, test. So let's specify the method name also, right? So here what test, right? So what is that? Math test, right? Math